It's good. Alright, so ito na yung result. Ito na yung result ng example kanina using the sine and then tangent. Ayan. So we have the degree 0 to 80 and then 0 to 0.98, 0 to 5.67. Uy, merong isa, si Mr. Jairus. Okay, so hindi ko lang alam kung makakahabol pa siya, pero sana makahabol pa siya. Alright, so hello Mr. Jairus. Mr. Jairus, are you there? Or hindi working yung mic natin? Mr. Jairus, Mr. Estabilio, can you hear me? Yata. Hindi ko sure kung naririnig niya ako or hindi. Yes, sir. Okay, so habol ka na lang kasi nasa part 3 na kami. Late ka na yata gumising. Okay. So, eto na yung result, which is same na siya dito. Okay. So, step siya by 10. So, starting from 0 to 80 and then 0 to 0.98, which is 0 to 0.98 and then 0 to 5.67. So, may dinagdag lang ko kanina. Inayos ko na ngayon. So, again, dapat i-clear muna natin yung laman para kapag clinic ko yung compute, hindi papatong. Mabubura muna yung laman bago na ilagay yung result. So, ito yung title natin. Okay, list box 1.items at add yung degree, yung sine, saka yung tangent. Okay? And then for sine, ito yung formula. That-sine. And then yung degree muna. And then mat times mat at pi divided by 180. And then, kung papansin niyo, dinagdag ko na rin to, yung format. Okay? Format. And then, kukunin lang natin yung 4 degrees. 4 degrees. 4 decimals. Okay? So, pwedeng ito, 0.0000 or pwedeng N4. So, same lang sila. Ibig sabihin, kukunin mo lang din yung 4 decimals ng tangent. Okay? Or kung ano man yung result. Okay? And then, sa atin ipapakita yung result. So, dito sa box 1 natin mismo. Okay? So, yung una is yung degree, yung sine, at saka yung tangent. So, dito manggagaling yung value ng sine, dito manggagaling yung value ng tangent. And then for the degree, incrementing naman siya by 10. Okay, initially, nakaset siya sa 0 hanggang sa ma-reach niya yung 80. Okay? So, ganun lang naman. Very simple lang naman siya kung tutusin. As long as alam niyo yung formula for sine and then alam niyo yung formula for tangent. And then kung ilang degree pa siya mag-jump from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and so on and so forth. So, step 10 siya. Alright, so DataGridView component. So, similar to sa list box, pero sa DataGridView, mas, mas customizable. Okay? So, some of DataGridView properties are allow user to add rows. So, pwede kang magdagdag ng row mismo. Pwede kang mag-delete. Pwede mong i-modify itong columns, rows. Pwede mong i-edit. Pwede mong i-multi-select. Unlike here, pwede pa rin naman actually, pero mas mahirap. Unlike sa DataGridView, madali lang i-highlight. Then column headers visible, and then row headers visible. And then here are some of the properties of the DataGridView. So iiwanan ko na to kung ano ba yung mga bagay na pwede nyo i-edit dyan. Okay? Since kapag diniskasan to isa-isa lahat, yan, abutin ulit tayo ng 10 to 20 minutes dyan. Okay? So pahapyaw lang dito. So same din siya. Meron din siyang title and then yung mga results. Okay? Same na same lang din siya dito. Title and then yung mga results. Oops. Ayan, results. Alright? So, ito naman, using DataGridView, write a code that computes and displays the squares and cubes of the integers from 1 to 10 with the following output. Okay, so ginawa na natin to kanina gamit yung list box. Ngayon naman gagawin lang natin to gamit naman ang DataGridView. Okay? So, nandito na yung formula para mabilis tayo. So, same pa rin, nag-declare siya ng 3 variables. Number, squared, and then cube. Okay? And then, DataGridView1.columns.clear. So, ginagawa nito is, yun na nga, parang kiniklear niya muna yung laman bago niya i-display yung result. Kasi kung hindi mo ilalagay ito, papatong at papatong lang sila, parang yung nangyari kanina. Okay? So, same lang siya dito sa list box 1 natin. I-clear muna natin bago natin i-display yung laman. Okay? And then, ito na yung para sa title ng number, title ng square, title ng cube. So, kung papansin niyo, title to, and then yung value niya. Title din to, saka yung value niya. Title, value. Okay? So, title number, which is 1, and then NO or number, yung variable, which is ito yung computation dito sa loob. Okay, ayan, incrementing siya may 1 to 10. And then yung title, square, ito, and then yung value. So, nasan yung computation ng variable SQ natin? Nandito rin sa loob. Okay, so ito, SQ is of course squared. I-squared mo lang mismo yung number. So, raised to 2. And then for cube, same lang siya sa squared, pero raised to 3 naman siya dito. Okay? So, mas simple to kung tutusin gamit ang DataGridView. Okay? Mas customizable, mas simple, mas madaling intindihan. Okay? So, initial value ng number natin is 1, and then saka lang siya titigil kapag false na to. So, do while number is less than or equal to 10. So, while this condition is true, it will keep on looping. Okay? So, saan natin papakita yung mga results? So, of course, DataGridView1.rows.add. So, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and so on and so forth. So, una is yung number, pangalawa is yung squared, and then pangatlo is yung cube. Okay? And then incrementing siya by 1. Okay? So, para makita nyo, pakita ko lang dito. So, pinaste ko lang lahat dyan. Tanggalin ko tong list box. Palitan ko ng data grid view. Ayan. So, check natin kung walang error. Wala nga yata. Ayan. So, yun yan. So, 1 to 10, squared naman is 1 to 100. And then 1 to 1,000. So, pwede kang mag-insert dito. Let's say 30, 330. Pero of course, walang computation dito kasi ang computation naman natin is 1 to 10, hindi 1 to 330. And then, dapat may magpapakita rin dito. Okay, so editable siya, pwede nyo i-highlight, pwede nyo i-delete actually, kung depende sa properties nyo kung inallow nyo yun. Okay, pwede nyo i-modify, depende rin sa properties kung inallow nyo rin. Okay, so that's it for this data grid view. Okay, so counterpart lang siya ng list box wherein mas customizable lang. Okay, and then paano mo i-retrieve yung data ng data grid view? So eto, so gamit lang kayo netong syntaxes na to. Okay? So for number, ipapakita natin siya dito sa message box. Okay? So ilagay natin to sa another button. Okay? So kukunin natin yung value ng rows ng number, rows ng squared, and then rows ng cube. Okay? And then yung cell 0 is of course yung parang pinaka-cell ng message box natin. And then another cell, another cell. So dapat magkakaiba sila ng cell kasi doon natin di-display. Hindi pwedeng patong-patong. Alright. So ipakita ko lang to. So, lagay natin pala sa another button. Retrieve. Double click mo lang yon, copy mo to, then paste mo dyan. So, dim x. Alright, so actually pwede nyo, hindi, wala tayong x. So, sige, ulitin ko na lang yung declaration. Yan. Alright, so there you go. Oops, wait lang pala. So dito, initial value niya is 0, and then nag-increment siya by 1. So hanggat meron siyang naidadagdag dito, okay, hanggat hindi pa yung value niya is 0, okay, or hindi niya pa na-reach yung pinaka-limit, let's say hanggang 10 nga dito, i-re-retrieve niya lang at i-re-retrieve yung value hangga't may nare-retrieve siyang value or dun sa row na yun. Okay? So, compute, ito na yun. And then, pag na-retrieve natin, is ito yung pinaka-first cell natin. First cell, 1111. Second cell is 248. Third cell, 3927. Fourth, fifth, and so on and so forth. Hanggang sa ma-reach yung 10, 10, 10, 100, and then 1,000. So, papansin niyo wala na dito yung value. So, kapag wala na yan, doon na siya mag-i-stop. Okay? So, 0, 0, 0. So, pagka-click niyan, yun na yung pinaka-end. Okay? So, yun yung purpose netong negative 1 na to. So, while this one is true, then it will keep on executing or it will keep on displaying those statements. Okay? So, medyo dadalian ko kasi kailangan nating maabot yung pinaka-last part ng at least hanggang slide 42 at kahit hanggang doon na lang. Okay? Kasi yung iba is like more on activities na lang yung mga yan. Right? So, ito assignment, hindi ko na ito ipapagawa. Okay? Pero pwede nyo gawin kung gusto nyo. Okay? Kailangan nyo lang ng table X and Y. Okay? I-display mo yung value ng Y, value ng X. Kapag ito yung gamit mong formula and then incrementing siya by 0.5. Initial value is 5 and then final value is 10. Okay? So, same din dito. Initial value is 1, final value is 3. And then incrementing by 0.5. Gamit naman itong formula na to. So, basically, ano yung value ng Y natin kapag yung value ng X mo is ito. Okay? Gamit yung formula na to. Gamit to, and then gamit to. Okay? So, pwede nyo gawin yan. Actually, madali lang naman. As long as kabisado nyo yung arithmetic syntaxes natin. And then, meron tayong exit 2. So, again, nasabi ko na kanina yung exit 2 is like, pag na-reach nyo yung value ng, let's say, ito, 5, mag-exit na siya. Okay? So, kung papansin niyo yung initial value natin is 1 and then maglo-loop siya hanggang yung value ng 10. Pero, ilagyan mo naman siya ng exit 2 dito. So, if x is equal to 5, then exit 2. Ibig sabihin, ini-stop mo na yung loopings natin. Okay? So, you can try this one. Actually, it will display from 1 to 5 only since yun nga, i-stop siya kapag na-reach siya na yung value of 5. So, using exit while naman, same lang siya. Okay? This code will display numbers from 1 to 5. Okay? Even if the final value is 10. Okay? Just a different syntax. Again, just a different syntax. Di-display niya lang 1 to 5. Ito naman gamit ang exit 4. Okay? And then another assignment. So, iwanan ko na to as your practice assignment. Okay? So, write a program that outputs a sum of the following using while looping statements. So, initial value is 1 hanggang yung volume is 100. So, kailangan mo is kunin mo yung summation netong 1 to 100. Summation 1 to 100 divisible by 2. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, ito naman incrementing by 2. Okay? Initial value mo dapat is 0. 1 pala. So, pwede mo naman i-modify. 1 muna and then next is 2 and then incrementing na siya by 2. Mas matrabaho nga lang ng konti. Nawala si Mr. Sam Ay, hindi. Sino yung nawala? Si Miss Jessica. Oh, gutom na yata. Anyway, so, hindi na natin to gagawin kasi medyo hahaba na naman yung oras natin. Okay? And then exercise number 9, make a program that computes the distance a body falls in feet per second for the first 5 seconds of free fall as given by the equation. Okay? So, ito yung distance natin and then 1/2 at squared. So, acceleration and then time in seconds. So, parang science to, I think, itong distance is equal to 1/2 at squared. So, nakalimutan ko lang kung anong part siya ng science. Right? So, ito yung free fall natin. Free fall natin topic na yun. Kalimutan ko na, that was 4 years ago nung nag-aaral pa ako. So, time is 1 to 5. So, first 5 seconds. And then, kapag nahulog siya for 1 second, ito yung distance na travel niya. For 2 seconds, ito na yung distance na travel niya. For 5 seconds, 400 feet na yung distance na travel niya. Okay? So, nandito naman na yung code. Okay? So, ang ginawa niya, nag-declare siya ng variable time and then variable distance. So dalawa lang naman yan eh. Okay? And then again, i-clear muna natin bago natin ilagay para hindi magpatong-patong. And then yung first natin na title, which is yung time in second, and then yung variable or yung mga values niya. Title again, and then yung variable or yung mga values ulit ng distance. So nasan yung value ng time? Ito. So initial value ng time is 1, and then gagawin niya yan hanggat true tong statement na to. So 1 to 5 seconds. And then for distance, ito naman siya. Distance is equal to 1/2 times 32 times time raised to 2. So ito yung formula mismo nun, okay, which is ito na nga siya. So depende kung ano yung time neto, yun yung i-compute niya. And then itong 32 na to, itong acceleration, ito yung default value ng acceleration natin. Okay, so i-search nyo lang ano ba yung default value ng acceleration dito. Okay, due to gravity. Actually, ito, naka-indicate naman dito, 32 feet per second squared. And then i-display natin siya dito, grid view, that row set add. So yung una is yung time. And then, finormat niya lang to into fixed value. So, ang ginagawa na itong fixed value is kunin niya yung 2 decimals. And then, i-round off niya rin kung may i-round off. And then, incrementing yung time natin by 1. And then, end while. So, you can do this one. Actually, yan na yung lahat. Ito, gawa lang kayo ng button sa ng DataGridView. And then, ilagay nyo lang tong code na to. And then, gagana na to. Okay? And then, another exercise. So, i-skip na natin to. Doon na tayo sa pinaka-importanteng part since ito more on application na kasi ito ay gamit ang mga looping statement. Exercise number 10, ito yung explanation, sample interface, or expected output, and then yung code mismo. Okay? Kompleto naman siya kahit na ganyan siya, yung exercise na to. Okay? And then, continuation of the code. So, dalawa yung code niya. Or dalawang part. Ito yung first part, and then ito yung second part. So pag napagana nyo na to, ito yung sample output natin. Okay? And then another exercise. So ito yung explanation, sample interface, and then kapag kinompute mo, ito, yung total niya is 1,479. So yan, pwede kayong mag-assume ng value sa loob ng list box wherein pwede nyong kunin yung summation. Okay? Gamit naman tong 4 counter na to. Right? And then i-display nyo siya sa text box 1. So sum is just a string, and then C string, and then total. So i-convert nyo lang tong computation na to into string. So C string again is convert to string, kung maalala nyo man sa module 1. Okay? Alright. So nandito na tayo sa exercises. So ito yung pinaka-importanting part. Okay? Bakit? Kasi ganito mostly yung nasa ang tawag dito sa exam nyo, sa final exam. Okay? So merong part na ganito like 10 items and then 3 points each. Alright, so without further ado, so dito na kayo makinig talaga. So tell how many times that does each of the following loops iterate and what is the final value of the variable x in each case. So kung papansin ninyo, yung pinaka-code lang talaga ng loop yung ipapakita. So meron tayong initial value and then yung final value. And then kung ilang beses or ilan yung step niya every loop. So ito, incrementing by 1. So number 1 muna, while this one is true, it will keep on doing, or it will keep on looping, and then it will increment by 1. So question, ilang beses mag-iterate or ilang beses maglo-loop tong number 1 natin? So sagot lang kayo Mr. Jairus, Miss Febby, and then Mr. Sam. So ilang beses maglo-loop yung number 1? So initial value is 5, and then final value is 30. And then incrementing siya by 1. So 5, 6, 7, 8, hanggang 30. So ilan yon? Ano yan, Miss Febby?
26 po, sir.
Alright, Very good. So, ang sagot sa number 1 is 26. So, yung pinaka-easiest way dyan is 30 minus 5 is 25 plus 1. Bakit plus 1? Kasi nag-start kayo sa mismong 5. Okay? How about number 2? Initial value is 10 and then hanggang 50 and then incrementing siya by 5. So, ilan?
Hindi dapat ano din ang
Four.
chip na.
Ilan? Ilang beses maglo-loop itong number 2 natin? Wala.
Ano nakikita no?
Wait.
So, initial value is 10. Incrementing by 5. So, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So, bilangin nyo lang yan. Ilan?
Nine? Ay,
Yeah, tama. So, 9 times siyang maglo-loop. And then, yung final value natin is 50. So, na-miss natin yon. Yung final value naman ng number 1 is 30. Okay, so maglo-loop siya hanggang sa value ng 30. So, ito yung pinaka-critical part. Kailangan nyo i-consider kung ano yung ginamit na looping structure. So, do while. So, pag do while, hanggat true tong statement, maglo-loop siya. Sa while, ganun din. Hanggat true tong statement, maglo-loop din siya. Okay. How about number 3? So, initial value is 60 and then decrementing naman siya by 10. And then it will loop until x is equal to 40. So, take note, until tong gamit. So, hanggat false yung condition, maglo-loop siya. Pero pag naging true na siya, doon na siya mag-i-stop. So, ilang beses maglo-loop itong number 3 natin?
3 times po.
3 times. Okay. Very good. So, pakita ko lang para sa iba. Kita ko na to. Ayan. So, initially, yung value is 60. So, decrementing siya by 10. So, 50. And then, oops. Mali. 2 times lang. Okay? Kasi again, 40 is now equal to 40 which will make this condition true. Tama? So, sa until, dapat false yung statement para mag-execute siya. So, 60 is not equal to 40. So, false. 50 is not also equal to 40 which is also false. But 40 is now equal to 40 which is true. So, hindi na siya dyan maglo-loop. So, 2 times lang. And then the final value is 50. Okay? How about number 4? Initial value is 100 and then do until. So take note, until pa rin siya. Okay? Pag until, dapat false yung statement bago siya or yun, para gumana siya or para mag-execute. Kapag true na yung statement, so yun siya gagana. So 4 is ilang beses siyang lulup. Ilang beses?
wait po sir. Wait lang. Nakalimutan ko na sir.
Kalimutan mo na. So, analyze natin. Okay? Papansin ninyo, yung initial value natin is 100. So, yung condition natin is greater than 70. Okay? Is this true? True ba to? 100 is greater than 70? Wala kayo dyan. Talo pa kayo ng grade 5.
Yes
Ano
po,
ba, guys?
sir.
So, sobrang pag-iisip nyo, tinan nyo, hindi nyo na nakukuha yung simple lang. 100 is greater than 70. Parang took you guys 3 seconds. So, yes, 100 is greater than 70. So, true ito. So, kung papansinin nyo, yung condition natin is until. Ang sabi ko, pag until, dapat false yung statement bago siya mag-execute. So, basically, umpisa pa lang is true na yung condition natin. Wherein, number 4 will never loop. Okay? So, number 4 will never loop. And then, yung final value natin is none kasi nga wala naman siyang ilulup. Alright? So, take note yung mga ganun na. Okay? Ang mahalaga dito is yung structure. Okay? Kasi kung hindi nyo alam yung structure, yung until, yung while, saka yung while na to, and then yung post-test na to, magkakamali kayo. So, balikan nyo yung unang-unang syntaxes na pinakita ko. Itong mga to. Okay? Yung mga yan. Ito pala, to. Isa-isa na to. Itong 6 na to, yan yung mga mahalaga. Okay? So, yan yung intindihin nyo ulit. Alright, so balik na tayo dito. Alright, so tapos na tayo sa number 4. Next one is number 5. So, initial value is 15 and then final value is 45 and then incrementing by 5. Okay? And then meron na tayong additional exit while the value is 30. So, pag na-reach natin yung 30, mag-i-stop na siya. Alright. So, ilang beses maglo-loop itong number 5 natin? Initial value is 15. So, while x is less than or equal to 45. And then incrementing by 5. So, next value is 20. So, true pa rin siya kasi 20 is less than or equal to 45. Another one is 25. So, true pa rin siya kasi 25 is less than 45.
6.
6 daw.
Ay! Ba't?
Nagulat ka nung napindot mo yung camera. Okay lang yan, Mr. Sam. Pogi naman tayo eh. Alright, so, hindi siya 6. Kasi, meron siyang exit while dito. So, take note yung function ng exit while is kapag na-reach yung value ng 30, yan nga, which is, dyan na siya mag-i-stop. So, 4 times lang siyang maglo-loop. Okay, 15, 20, 25, and then 30. Okay, and then yung final value natin is 30 kasi na parang na-force exit siya dito or na-force close sa 30. Okay? So, any question so far or naguguluhan pa rin ba? Kayang-kaya na ba? So, dito kayo mag-focus binibigyan ko na kayo ng hint. Ito yung ibibigay ko sa exam nyo. Ay mga ganyan. Initial value, final value, ilang beses siya maglo-loop, ano yung pinaka, and so on and so forth. Number 6. So far, nagets nyo ba? Nagets nyo ba to? Number 5? Baka hindi nyo nagets.
Naintindihan po, sir.
That's good. Balikan nyo na lang tong video So,
Sorry sir, may mistake.
I dare you guys to rewatch this video. So, this is very important. Ito yung parang isa sa mga maraming points dun sa exam nyo. Alright, so number 6. Initial value is 100. And then, maglo-loop siya hanggang 75. Pero, take note, meron ulit siyang exit do dito. And then, decrementing siya by 5. So, do while x is greater than 75. So, next one is 75. So, 95 is still greater than 75. So, proceed pa rin tayo. 90, 90 is still greater than 75. 85 is also greater than 75. 80, 85, 75. Ayan. So, hanggang 80 lang pala. Okay, kasi 75 is not greater than 75. So, kahit meron siyang ganito, pero hindi naman na siya umabot. Oops, teka lang. If x is greater than 75, then exit 2. Okay. So, na-mind tricks tayo. Okay? Initially pa lang, yung value natin is 100, di ba? So, dadaanan na natin to kasi sa first loop natin, wherein 100 is greater than 75, which is already true. So, never mag-loop tong number 6 natin kasi dito pa lang nag-exit na siya or nag-force exit na siya. Kasi 100 is already greater than 75. Okay? So, I hope that one is clear. How about number 7? Initial value is 75 and then incrementing by 10. Tama. And then hanggang sa ma-reach natin yung value ng 10. X is less than or equal. So again, take note until to. So hanggat false yung statement, mag-execute pa rin siya. So analyze natin. 75 is less than or equal to 10. So is 75 less than or equal to 10? So false, tama ba? Oh guys, 75 is not equal to 10. 75 is not also less than 10, which will make this false. Tama?
Yes, sir.
And then take note, incrementing siya. So initial value is 75. Next is 85, wherein false pa rin to. So kung papansin niyo, this will loop infinitely. Tama? Kasi never siya magiging true kasi pataas na tayo eh. Ang kailangan nating value is 10. So 95, 105, 115, and so on and so forth. So merong mga ganito. Number 7 is infinite. Okay? And then yung final value is also infinite. Okay? Kasi maglo-loop lang siya na maglo-loop. Okay? Walang katapusan yan. Okay? So medyo tricky siya. So kailangan yung intindihin. Okay? How about number 8? X is equal to 100. Initial value is 100 and then hanggang 70. So analyze natin. 100 initial value. Do until. So until ulit to. So dapat false yung statement bago siya mag-proceed. So 100 is greater than 70. Oops. So dito pa lang. 100 is greater than 70. So this will never loop kasi true na kaagad yung nandito. And then take note kapag until, dapat false yung condition bago siya maging true. Okay? So, yun sa number 8. Number 9, ilang beses siya mag-loop. Ito naman gamit itong mga 4. 4 next loops or 4 next structure. So, number 9, ilang beses siya mag-loop? So, 0 to 10. Next X. So, pag walang nakalagay na step, ang default niyan is step 1. Okay. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, kung bibilangan nyo lahat yan, yung result na ito is 11. So, 11 times mag-loop ito. And then, yung final value natin is 10, of course. Okay? And then, for number 10, so, sorry, binibilisan ko na kasi 4 minutes na lang tayo. Ibala, pinaka-last na to. Okay? And then, next na ito is yung another topic na to actually, looping exercises na to. So, ito na yung pinaka-last na topic natin for these finals. For number 9, so for x, 0 to 10, step 2. So, initial value is 0, and then incrementing by 2. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So bilangin nyo lang kung ilan yan. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times siyang mag-loop. And then yung final value natin is 10. And then for number 11, so initial value is 20 and then decrementing by 2 hanggang sa ma-reach natin yung 0. So 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, and then 0. Okay, so bilangin nyo lang yan. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 times mag-loop itong number 11 and then yung final value natin is 0. And then for number 12, 0 to 12 and then step 3. So 0 yung initial value, 3, 6, 9, 12. So hanggang 12 yung maximum value natin. So bilangin nyo lang yan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times maglo-loop yung number 12. And then yung final value natin is 12. Okay? So hanggang dun na lang guys. So kung may question kayo, feel free to message me anytime. Okay? So marami nagme-message naman sa akin. Lahat naman sila sinasagot ko naman. So don't worry, hindi naman ako snub. Hindi naman ako masungit. So hanggang dito na lang. And then yung the rest, yung natitira dito sa 43 hanggang 109, actually lahat to mga parang exercises na lang to mga to. Yan. More on application about mga susunod na topic. Pero hindi na kasi tayo aabot dito kaya hindi ko na siya madidiscuss. Kulang tayo sa oras. Ayan, so may mga seatworks, may mga binary seatworks ulit, and then data file, mga inputs and outputs, and then pwede rin kayong mag-save actually. Ayan, malalaman nyo rin sana yon kung 3 months long yung oras natin. Kaso nga lang, syempre siniksik or in 4 hours every meeting. So, hindi ko na to idadagdag sa exam nyo. Okay? And then error handling. So, anong gagawin kapag nag-error, anong itatry, anong i-catch, and then so on and so forth. Okay? So, hanggang dun na lang. And then, yung meeting natin bukas, okay, will be your free time. Not actually your free time. So, yun yung time nyo, okay, na ilalaan nyo para tapusin yung mga laboratories. So, hindi na tayo mag-meet bukas. Okay? And then, pag-isipan ko pa, kailan nyo pa gusto mag-exam? Thursday or Friday? Mr. Sam and then Miss Febby.
Parang isang sentence na
Friday po sana sir.
Friday.
Anytime po, sir. Anytime po.
Anytime. So, tingnan ko na lang, magkaroon na lang siguro tayo ng polling kung Thursday ba or Friday. So, tanungin ko na lang yung buong klase. Pero kung may nag-Friday, Friday ko na lang lahat. Hindi pwedeng may Thursday tapos Friday yung iba. Or kung Thursday, karamihan, Thursday ko na lang lahat. Pero tignan natin. Pero siguro malaking chance na Friday na lang kasi para mas mahaba yung preparation nyo. Pero we'll see. Alright, so hanggang dun na lang. So sorry, hindi tayo umabot sa pinakahuli-huli. Kasi kulang talaga tayo sa oras. Sayang. Anyway, so kung may question or clarification kayo, kahit yung mga ibang hindi nakikinig, kung mapanood nyo man tong video na to, so feel free to message me anytime sa Facebook ko. Okay? Or sa Messenger. Alright. So kung wala nang question, Mr. Sam and Miss Febby, so thank you for accompanying me. Kasi kahit na 16 kayo, pero 2, 3, 4 lang yung meron. Pero at least meron kayo. Actually, kahit isa nga lang okay na ako dun. As long as meron nakikinig. Okay, and then yung iba panoorin na lang. Baka tulog pa. Anyway, so bye-bye. And then good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you sir, bye.
Bye-bye.